Okay guys, hello, welcome to the vlog. We're back. It is Saturday. We are about to go to a wedding. I finally put on some makeup after months, I feel.
Oh, here you have 2 earrings.
Oh look, I got earrings already. I put some on, like really tiny ones. Where are you? I'm filming myself obviously today, and we're just gonna get in the car. Going on an outing. It feels like a little date night moment. I'll show a clip of the outfit. Nowadays, because we have to do so much content like vertical, horizontal, YouTube, TikTok, it's so much. I'm just filming you guys, and I'm just gonna show you guys everything because I don't even know right now. Like, this is the state of my mind. I'm super confused about shit now. It's just so much to do. Ready? Oi, you look so cute.
Thank you.
Well, baby looking all cute. Are you excited? It's like going on a date night. You need to dress up for me more. We didn't grab any snacks. Like, we grabbed no snacks, you guys. Can you turn that down a little bit? We grabbed like no snacks. That's not weird. I wouldn't grab snacks. I didn't want to grab snacks because Nayar's wearing white. Can you turn that down? I didn't grab snacks because Nayar's wearing a white shirt, and I am habitual for fucking up his white shirt somehow, some way, right? So I was like, oh, I'm just not gonna get snacks. I'll just get snacks when we are like done with the wedding. We're actually going to a wedding. I don't know if I said that already. I think I did, right?
I didn't hear you.
Yeah. We're actually going to a wedding. We're being like social people today, which I'm very proud of us. You know, my husband's looking very handsome. This is my favorite way. I love when Nara wears a button-down shirt and some slacks. It's just like my favorite thing about him. I would like him to get rid of his mustache. No?
You mean my beard?
Your beard, yeah. I mean, but we all have like certain wants, and that doesn't mean you can get them, right? Or do you want to give me everything I deserve? Ew. I think
You deserve a longer beard.
no. I don't want it. Anyways, are you liking the drive, baby?
Yeah, very scenic.
Very scenic. Very, very scenic. Listening to the new drink, right? Going where we gotta go, do what we gotta do. I can't believe I didn't charge my camera correctly.
Why didn't you?
I don't know what happened. Like, it wouldn't charge properly. It's always like that. We're going to Arizona. Guys, the wedding is done. Yeah? You look nice, babe.
Thank you. Thanks to my wife.
We would do like those trendy things, but we don't know how to right now. Are you gonna twirl me?
What are you wearing? No, I don't want you to fall, but you look very nice.
Thank you. You look very nice too.
We're matching.
We're matching. We
Rita
look like we're going to prom, right?
I didn't go to my prom. Runa never took me, so.
Whatever. Just a hater.
Okay.
It's nice, huh?
Beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Here's another.
Monday. What's up, everybody? So I basically had my whole morning and I basically filmed. I put on some makeup, feeling like myself more. Dropped off Nayar, had a protein coffee. Y'all know I've been on that protein shit. I'm gonna actually cook now, so I feel like I wanted to show you guys me cooking. What do I have? So I usually have my I have like my whole week on a notes. I usually like I would show you guys, but it's a lot of personal stuff on there, so I don't want to show it. So today I'm supposed to make some salmon fried rice, some chicken teriyaki bowls with avocado, and then chicken burritos. So let's see how much I can get done today. Let's go. Good morning, guys. It is officially Tuesday. It is 1:26. I don't even know where the time went. Most of my morning was spent with editing. I really need to find a better way to like manage my editing schedule because like I'm not really a fan. I'm not a fan of how my editing schedule is going right now. Oh, also, I got some new glasses. I feel like these glasses make me look real grandma-ish. But at the same time, I really like the aesthetics. They're like kind of like tinted brown and they're just kind of cool looking. I don't know, what do you guys think? Anyways, I've just been having kind of a rough morning today. I feel like I'm always having a rough morning. I feel like I'm in this like phase of just like a lot of transitioning and just thinking about where I want things to go and where I want my life to go. And you would think at this age I would know, but I don't think you ever really 100% know. I think I just need to get more organized. And it's hard to get organized when your whole house is in chaos because you just moved in and you're resetting everything. I'm like literally resetting everything. We just got a rug, everything's out of stock. Then we finally get something in. Then we're scheduling it in. I just low key feel kind of all over the place. But at the same time, I'm gonna do what I gotta do to do what I gotta do. Do you get what I'm saying? I'm gonna do what I gotta do. Even though I've succeeded so much, I always feel like, when is it ever gonna be enough for me? These are like some deep questions, some deep questions that I'm always asking, but it is what it is. I'm gonna continue to edit, and that's how my life is gonna go right now.
Your heart goes out to the people, the civilians, the children of Gaza. If you are condemning Hamas, but you are not simultaneously condemning the Israeli government and the U.S.'s unconditional support for the Israeli government as they are bombing civilians in Gaza, as they have cut off food and electricity to a city that is over 50% children because of the extremely low life expectancy rate there, because people there are suffering under the worst form of apartheid in the world's largest open-air prison and constantly are experiencing violence at the hands of the Israeli army. If you didn't give a shit what was happening in Palestine up until 2 days ago, that is because you see Israelis as people and you do not see Palestinians as people. And if you live in the US and that's you, it's understandable if you haven't been paying attention, because the Western media is extremely white supremacist. And that is how racism works. Israelis get to be white, Palestinians are non-white, and they are therefore not people. You see this difference in humanization when you look at the very rhetoric that media uses to describe the difference between Israelis being killed and Palestinians dying, in the obfuscation of Israeli military aggression and settler aggression by calling such things clashes. And maintaining the dehumanization of Palestinians is so important to the project of white supremacist imperialism in Palestine that it is a book by a Palestinian.
All right, guys. So this is the current progress of everything. It looks crazy, but I don't even know where all this goes, but it needs to be open and organized and just done. And why did I think it was bigger? I thought it was 8. I thought it was like a 20, but it's 8 by 10. Actually much smaller than what I thought, but it's actually really cute. I'm gonna keep it. Did it. We're just checking to see if it's straight right now. Straight?
I will tell you.
Do I know you?
Yes.
You have so much patience with me.
Turn on the lights.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Last time we had to do this, we were freaking doing.
Are you having PTSD from the flooring? Huh? You having PTSD from the flooring? Doing the floor, and IR has PTSD from it.
So that looks straight. Yes, it's not. So, but
What's up? Okay, we semi got our life together. It took Nayar, I think,
3 hours.
3 hours
Put together this crappy little thing.
to put together
Don't buy it from Amazon.
this little thing right here. It looks horrible. I mean, it looks
doesn't look
nice.
bad,
It's
how
just
it's built.
not built right. Right?
Only thing is stopping this drawer from falling out is this little flap.
It's a little flap?
Mm-hmm.
Are you serious? That's crazy. This is literally getting our life together after moving, right? Nobody tells you that you literally have to get your whole life together.
Mm-hmm.
So much, huh?
Yep.
Like the house still isn't where we want it to be. And it's just, but I'm being positive. I know we're gonna get there. We're gonna get there, right?
One day.
Okay. What? My goal is by the end of this month.